Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. I'm going to do another Dutch pour. I did one on white and I thought I want to try one on black and just see how it looks. I have some DecoArt 24 karat gold mixed up. So this is the 24 karat gold. I get it in the bigger 8-ounce containers because it's just absolutely gorgeous. Then I have titanium white and lamp black, and my ratio is 1:1 paint to Floetrol, latex based. And with the metallic gold, I did about 1 ounce or so of gold and 1 ounce or so of Floetrol, and then I added a bit of water because the metallic gold is a little thicker than standard paints. On the other colors, black and white and all the other colors, you do not have to add water to your mixture, but with metallics they are a little bit heavier, so they do require a little bit of water added. This was a painted pour canvas already. It was an acrylic pour. I'm going to turn that light off so you don't have as much reflection. This was already poured. I just put a layer of black paint over it, so it is still wet paint. I'm going to dry it with my blow dryer. It's not totally dry, but that helped dry it just a bit. So I have the black in a squeeze bottle and the white in a squeeze bottle. I'm trying to decide if I want to do white at all. I guess I'll put a little bit of white in the corner here. But I'm going to kind of do the reverse of what we typically do, where we put white on the canvas and circle it with white. I'm going to do black. So I'm going to go ahead and put some black underneath, and then I'm going to do a puddle of gold, and then I'm going to circle around it with the black. And I'm going to go ahead and put it everywhere, even on top of the black paint. I'm just going to take my paintbrush and kind of fan this black out a little bit, because this has the Floetrol in it, but what's on the canvas is just straight paint, so I want what has the Floetrol to be spread out so it's nice and fluid. And when you blow your paint with the blow dryer, you want to use a cool setting, and I start out at the low speed and then I will build it up if I need to. Alright, so we're going to see how this goes. I like it, but I want more gold and black, so I'm going to do another puddle of gold here and put black on the corner. So I think I'm satisfied. Bring some of that white down. So a different look from the white with the black and gold on it. But still very pretty. This is an 11 by 14 canvas. So I'm going to do one more. Well, I have these fabulous colors, and I'm going through canvases that I didn't care for, so that's a good thing too. I can get rid of them and do something different. So this is going to be black. I'm going to put on a light coat of black paint first. Now I'm just putting a layer of the black with Floetrol in it. No silicone or anything else. Just putting a layer on the top to make it nice and fluid, because the other was almost dry. And these lights, it can dry pretty quickly. I can go through it with the paintbrush just to level out the fluid part a little better. But I don't keep my white and black real fluid, like real watery. I like it a little bit more on the thicker side, really. And if it sits in the bottles for a while, it might thicken up a little bit. But it's going to self-level regardless. Black. I thought, I'm going to do this again. So maybe this time I'll do a ring. And then go around it on the outside, and maybe a little bit in the middle. And I'm just going to blow with my breath, I think. Heat it one more time. So there it is. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check out all the links below the video where it says show more on your laptop or the down arrow on your mobile device. Click the bell on the bottom right if you'd like to get notifications. I appreciate all the loyal friends and fans that continue to watch my videos. Stay tuned because I'll be posting a lot more. I love doing this for you, and if you'd love to make a donation to my PayPal account, it's below the video. Anything will help towards the expenses of new product. And I will see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.